Hi guys, first of all, I want to thank you for watching my videos, subscribing to my channel, and supporting me all this time. I truly appreciate it. Over the past year, I've been thankful for AI technology, which has given me the opportunity to create so many high-quality videos that I probably would never have been able to make without it. I can share all the knowledge I have with you in a short time, from working with ChatGPT to creating AI avatars like the one you see here, making stunning cinematic films, viral shorts, kids' cartoon movies, and more. This is not just an online course, but a community where I will guide you step by step on how to easily create videos like these. Any questions about settings, algorithms, tools, or analytics data will also be answered and explained in detail. If you're ready to start your journey to becoming a true creator, this is a sincere invitation from me to join the private community so we can grow and make content together. I would be thrilled to see you there.